Listen very carefully. If you are still looking at small-scale side hustles or entry-level e-commerce flips, you are looking in the completely wrong direction. The real wealth, the multi-million-pound infrastructure plays, belong to physical manufacturing and regional supply chains. Today, we are breaking down a massive, institutional asset that commands absolute dominance in the fast-moving consumer goods sector. This is the ultimate blueprint for dominating the dairy market. What you are looking at right now is a complete, turnkey, industrial-grade UHT milk processing, packaging, and yogurt production line. This isn't a single machine setup. This is a fully integrated, automated processing matrix designed from the ground up for high-capacity enterprise scaling. Let's talk about production volume. This industrial plant delivers an incredible processing capacity ranging from 200 liters to 10,000 liters per hour. Think about that scale. At 10,000 liters an hour, you are controlling the liquid dairy distribution for entire regions, supermarket chains, and wholesale networks. Whether you are running fresh cow milk, goat milk, or reconstituted formulas, this system adapts instantly to maintain peak fluid volume. But volume means nothing without structural endurance. This entire line is meticulously constructed using high-grade stainless steel 304 and 306 materials. In the industrial world, this is the gold standard for sanitary processing. It provides total corrosion resistance against lactic acids and heavy sanitization protocols. This line is built for continuous, 24-hour processing cycles, ensuring decades of structural integrity and absolute long-term mechanical reliability. Now look at the brain of the operation. The entire facility is governed by a state-of-the-art PLC automatic control system featuring an intuitive touchscreen human-machine interface. This means the entire multi-stage processing floor is managed with absolute precision. The software automates milk reception, standardization, high-pressure homogenization, and exact fermentation cycles for premium yogurt lines. This advanced automation minimizes human margin of error, dramatically slashes operational overhead, and ensures that every single batch of milk or yogurt yields a perfectly uniform, smooth, and high-quality texture. But here is the real high-ticket value anchor, the integrated ultra-high-temperature processing system. The flash sterilization engine subjects the liquid dairy to ultra-high thermal treatment at 137 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 seconds before instantly cooling it down. This process vaporizes all harmful microorganisms while completely locked in the natural nutrition, creamy texture, and essential flavor profile of the milk. Because it utilizes aseptic flash sterilization, it bypasses the need for artificial preservatives, delivering an extended product shelf life of 6 to 12 months at room temperature. You are completely removing cold chain shipping restrictions, allowing your enterprise to distribute across massive distances without regional decay. Stop looking at volatile, small-time business models. If you want to build a real, legacy-defining industrial footprint, you buy directly from the global manufacturing source and control the essential regional supply chain. We have already bypassed the Western middlemen markups and secured direct factory alignment for this exact turnkey dairy processing line. Check out the full technical audit and download our comprehensive industrial procurement manual right now to see exactly how the big fish play. Secure your empire assets today.